Hello again, that's Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. We've got a layout overview for today. I used an old Christmas stash, my last kit that I had put together. So this is typical me and my husband photos. When he actually smiles and does something nice in a photo, it's when I don't. And that is the only time. When he knows I'm doing something silly or making a face, he makes sure to actually smile nice for a photo. And then when I file nice, he does, something completely off the wall. And this is why we love him. I keep telling myself that. But I did actually use these three Flair. They're Scrap and Happy Studio. I don't remember if I got them from Scrap and Happy Studio shop or some Assemblage Required shop. Not sure. But it's this holiday travel adventures is what it says around. This, we went to Chicago. This is when we went to Chicago to meet my bestie from the Northern Midwestie and her partner, so that Jason and Robbie could meet to, at least get to know each other a smidge so that me and Jamie could start the next phase of our lives together. That was always the joke. This was the first night we went to JoJo's Shake Bar and had a fabulous little time. I used up some stash, so I got those Flair on there, and I've got our little peppermints. I've got some Nuvo drops, some clear stickers, the fun little 'Tis the Season. I got my little love on there, these crystal drops, and then some different colored crystal drops, the little pendants, some puffies, popped up chipboard, another one of those little charms. So there's 3 charms, 3 peppermints, 3 Flair, 1, 2, 3, 4 clusters of the gems. We've got little stars in each one. This is like enamel puffy there. And we've got chipboard, and chipboard where I actually did do a little bit of journaling, and it's journaling. December 2024, our friend trip to Chicago to see Jamie and Jason with my little dash heart dash, little banner, another clear sticker, some florals, little circle mushroom, another little puffy, Nuvo, 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 chipboard, just all kinds of fun little embellies on this. So I just took a 12 by 12 wood grain piece of paper. This is, I think, 8 by 8. And then this is 6 by 7. And I layered those on top. And then I matted the photos twice. They're 4 by 4, and then layered them on there to get just a fun little pattern that I was just having fun playing with. We've got our clear stickers over here. This says celebrate the wonder and joy of the holiday season. Got a little bit of it covered up, but you get the feel for it. I did run it off the page here because I like to do that. It makes me feel like it's not just confined into this 12 by 12 piece of paper. Just the one little wood veneer here. A little puffy stuck all over. I've got another little sticker back here that just to bring the gold up there a little more, because we do have gold in some of the stickers, so I wanted to make sure that they were around the layouts, tucking things under. This actually didn't go on there, but I layered it on top of the chipboard. It's one of those little clear stickers. And all in all, that was it. It was a very fun layout to create, getting our memories scrapped and just playing with stash. I've made myself like this whole thing where I even paused my subscription to the scrap room, which I absolutely love and I'm totally missing, but I need to use up some of the stuff that's in my stash room here. I don't even call it a craft anymore. Let's call it a stash room. And I have been making a huge dent, which is making me feel good. Only bad side is I'm going to have to buy some more albums and page protectors. I did actually buy more 12 by 12 iris containers, and currently, I'm just making sure I got to look around the room. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 filled up with layouts, and then just some other ones. I've got random, only 4 others. So then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 that I can fill, right? Once those are like getting close to being all full, then I just start putting them into albums. But I do have room for 1, 2, 3, 4 more that I need to buy, and I can actually probably get some down below as well. So I will purchase those again, but no need to right now. Usually when I get another stack of layouts, so I get 7 more filled, I'll buy the 4 more, and then I'll start buying embellish or photograph albums. There you go. Boop, 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 12 by 12 binders. Anyway, that being said, that's the layout. That's the layout in a bucket, the video today. I want to thank you guys for your continued support. You will see all kinds of mixtures of how I'm getting my videos done these days. Work is really booming. Getting opportunities to travel all over the world currently, and obviously that takes precedence over my scrapbooking. Plus we have a lot of fabulous vacations coming up, so it's easier to kind of throw them together real quick, and then, you know, when I have time and I don't feel like, or my husband's sleeping or there's something going on elsewhere in the house. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you later with another video. Bye.